Okay, here's something that weirds me out a little bit. I don't know if I'll look at this correctly or not. Okay, this item here from the other day had 0 views. Zip, zilch, nada. Today, it's got 10. But no offers, no purchase, no bought, no squat, bupkis, zilch, nothing. Whereas on the other hand, this got bought, or at least got an offer at about 5. I don't remember exactly. Half of these 10 are mine looking at it, but or 3 or 4 of them were. Anyway, I think this was priced too low and I sold it too low. This got bought with very little activity, making me think that it was too cheap. They didn't even bother to make an offer. I always think when something sells with a low view number that it was priced too low. Leave me a comment if you feel the same way or if you think differently. Am I looking at this right? Am I looking at it wrong? See, this one only had 1 view. Now it has 2 views, but still no offers. This now has 2. This got 10, but that was mostly me. Some of it was me. But 10 views and no offer at all? Is this too expensive? I think brand new, and this one is brand new. I never used it. It's like $350, $375. But I priced it high enough that they could make an offer that I could accept and still feel comfortable with it. Okay, that one's before that one. So it went from 5 to 8, 9. People are still looking at this after it was sold. I guess one of the changes that they may have made on here is that you now have to end the auctions after it sells or something. I don't know. I'll end it in a little while, but I just wanted to watch it first. But this one goes from 0 to 10. Super quick. I don't know. Leave me a comment if you want to. Let me know if you think this is anything to be concerned about, or does this say anything? In the past, it's always been jumbled up as you could get 50 views and nobody wants it or buys it or whatever. Sometimes when they do that, I'll lower the price. Maybe you should raise the price. Maybe they think your price is too low. I don't know. Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, I always wonder when it starts getting a lot of views but nobody buys, maybe my price is too high. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Does that mean the price is too high? Should I lower the price? But they could make a best offer. I also wonder about it when somebody's watching it. Are they watching it for me to lower the price? But they could still just make a best offer, what they think it's worth. What do you do? Do you lower the price? Wait for the right buyer? Let me know in the comments what you would do.